Okay, students. Yesterday we discussed reciprocal equations. So today we discuss some problems in reciprocal equations. Today we discuss some problems in reciprocal equations. Solve 2 into x power 5 plus
plus
x
x
power
power
4
4
minus
minus
12x
12x
cube
cube
minus
minus
12x
12x
square
square
plus x plus 2 is equal to 0.
0.
Here
Here
degree
degree
is 5. 5 is
5
odd
is
number. Odd,
odd
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 order.
order.
Next,
Next,
comparing
comparing
given
given
equation with
equation
a
with a
naught
naught
into
into
x
x
power
power
5
5
plus
plus
a1 into
a1
x
into
power
x
4
power 4
plus
plus
a2 into x
a2 into
cube
x cube
plus
plus
a3 into x
a3 into x
square
square
plus
plus
Hello, sir.
a4x
a4x
plus a5
a5
is equal to
Hello,
0.
sir.
A
Sir,
naught,
sir.
a naught
a0
is
is
equal to
equal to
a5.
a5
A naught is
a0 is
equal to
equal to
2.
2.
Here,
Sir,
a naught, a naught
a0
is
is
equal to
equal to
2.
2.
A1 is
a1 is
equal to
equal
sir.
to
1.
1.
A2 is
a2 is
equal to
equal to
minus
minus
12.
12.
A3
a3
is
is
equal to
equal to
minus
minus
12.
12.
A4 is
a4 is
equal to
equal to
1.
1.
A5
a5
is
is
equal to
equal to
2.
2.
Here,
Here,
A0.
a0
A0 is
a0 is
equal to
equal to
A5 is
a5 is
equal
equal
to
to
A0 is
a0 is
equal to
equal to
A5.
a5
A0 is
a0 is
equal to
equal to
A5.
a5.
Next,
Next,
A1 is
a1 is
equal to
equal to
A4.
a4.
A1 is
a1
equal
is
to
equal to
A4.
a4.
Next,
Next,
A2 is
a2 is
equal to
equal to
A3.
a3.
A0
a0 is equal to
A5.
a5.
A1 is equal
a1
to
is equal to
A4.
a4.
A2 is
a2
equal
is
to
equal to
A3.
a3.
AI is
ai is
equal to
equal to
an
an
minus n.
minus n.
Then that
Then that
reciprocal
reciprocal
equation is
equation is
called
called
reciprocal
reciprocal
equation of
equation of
first type.
first type.
Reciprocal
Reciprocal
equation of
equation of
first type
first type
odd
odd
degree. This
degree.
is
This is
reciprocal
reciprocal
equation of
equation of
first
first
type.
type.
First type
First type
odd
odd
degree.
degree.
This is a
This is a
reciprocal equation
reciprocal
of
equation of
first type
first type
odd
odd
degree.
degree.
A naught is equal to
a0 is equal to
A5, A1
a5,
is equal to
a1 is equal
A4,
to
A2
a4,
is equal to
a2 is
A3.
equal to
AI
a3.
is equal to
ai is
An
equal to
minus
an
I.
minus I.
Then that
Then that
reciprocal equation is
reciprocal
called
hello,
equation is
sir.
called
reciprocal equation
reciprocal
of first
equation
type.
of first type.
Here,
Here,
odd order.
odd order.
Reciprocal equation of
Reciprocal
first
equation
Hello,
type
of
odd
first
degree.
type odd
sir.
degree.
First type
First
odd
type
degree.
odd degree.
1 root is
1 root
minus
is
1.
minus 1.
First type
First
odd
type
degree. 1
odd
root
degree.
is
1 root
minus
is
1.
minus.
First type odd degree. Root is minus 1. First type odd degree. 1 root is minus 1. By Horner's process 2, 1, minus 12, minus 12, 1, 12. Odd degree. Odd reciprocal equation of first type odd degree minus 1 is 1 root. Here minus 1, 0, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Here minus 11. Minus 1 into minus 11, plus 11. Here minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Here 2. 2 into minus 1. Constant is 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Here 0.
Sangeet
2
Mudi.
into x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 2 dividing by x plus 1. Remaining equation is reduced equation is 2x power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So reduced equation is 2x power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here degree is 4. Degree is 4. So comparing the given equation with equation number 2, comparing equation number 2 with a naught x power 4 plus a1 into x cube plus a2 into x square plus a3x plus a4 is equal to 0. A naught is equal to a1 is equal minus 1, a2 is equal minus 11, a3 is equal minus 1, a4 is equal to 2. A naught is equal to a4 here. A naught is equal to a4. Next, a1 is equal to a3. A1 is equal to a3. So ai is equal to an minus a. Then that reciprocal equation is called reciprocal equation first type. First type even degree. So first type even degree is called standard reciprocal equation. And first type even degree is called reciprocal equation of first type even degree is called standard reciprocal equation. So in standard reciprocal equation, dividing by x square. Uh, 2x power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is even degree. First type is called standard reciprocal equation. So standard reciprocal equation dividing by x square. Dividing by x square. Dividing by x square. So 2x power 4 by x square, 2x square minus x cube by x square minus x minus 11x square by x square minus 11 minus x by x square minus 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2 by x square, taking 2 common, x square plus 1 by x square minus x minus 1 by x minus of x plus 1 by x minus 11 is equal to 0. Taking x plus 1 by x is equal to y. X plus 1 by x is equal to y. Here x square plus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square, implies x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab plus 2 is equal to y square. Is equal to y square. 2 into x square plus x square is equal to y square minus 2 minus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Two y square minus y minus 4 minus 11 minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 11 minus 15 is equal to 15 2s are 30. 30 factor 6 5s. 2y square minus 6y plus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Taking 2y common, y minus 3 plus 5 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 into 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y into 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 5 by 2. But y is equal x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. LCM is x square plus 1 is equal to 3. X square plus 1 is equal to 3x. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So roots of ax square plus bx plus is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal here, b is minus 3. 3 plus root of b square, b is equal 9. 4a, a is equal 1, c is equal 1, minus 4 by 2a, 1. That is equal 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So here two roots. One root is 3 plus root 5 by 2. Next root is 3 minus root 5 by 2. Next.
Sorry.
Second value. Next. Y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here LCM is x square plus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Cross multiply 2x square plus 2 is equal to minus 5x. 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 are 4. 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common, x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So, therefore, final total roots are minus 1, 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. So, given equation is fifth degree. Therefore, 5 roots. So, odd degree reciprocal equation, first type, one root is minus 1. Next, 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2, minus 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. Next problem, solve the equation. Next problem, solve the equation. Next question, solve the equation 6 into x power 6 minus 25 into x power 5 minus 25 into x power 5 minus 20 into minus 25 into x power 5 plus 31 into x power 4 minus 31 x square minus 31 x square plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. 6x power 6 minus 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 is equal to 0. So comparing the given equation with a naught into x power 6, a1 into x power 5 plus a2 into x power 4 plus a3 into x to the power of 3 plus a4 into x square plus a5 into x plus a6 is equal to 0. A naught is equal to 6. A naught is equal to 6. A1 is equal to minus 25. A2 is equal to 31. Here no x to the power of 3. A3 is equal to 0. A4 is equal to minus 31. Next A5 is equal to 25. A6 is equal to minus 6. A6 is equal to minus 6. So observe no x to the power of 3 term. No x cube. Here a naught is equal to 6. A6 is equal to minus 6. So a naught is equal to minus a6. A naught is equal to minus a6. A1 is equal to minus 25. A5 is equal to 25. A1 is equal to minus A5. Next, A2 is equal to 31. A4 is equal to minus 31. A2 is equal to minus A4. AI is equal to minus AN minus A. Then that reciprocal equation is called reciprocal equation second type. Reciprocal equation of second type. Second type even degree. Second type even degree. Second type even degree. Second type even degree minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. Second type here A naught is equal minus A6, A1 is equal minus A5, A2 is equal minus A4. This is reciprocal equation second type even degree. Second type even degree, minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. Minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. Second type even degree, minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. But synthetic division 6 minus 25 31. No x to the power of 3 terms. 0 minus 31 25 minus 6. Even degree second type, minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. Minus 1 here 0 6 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 31 minus into minus plus 31 62 62 into minus 1 minus 62 minus 62 minus into minus plus 62 here 31 31 into minus 1 minus 31 here minus 6 minus 1 to minus 6 plus 6 here 0 minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. Next minus 1 comma 1 next 1 even degree second type, minus 1 comma 1 are the roots. First dividing by minus 1, next dividing by 1 0 6 into 1 minus 25 minus 25 minus 25 6 minus 25 62 minus 25 12 7 7. Okay, next 62 37 37. So 37 into 1 37 62 minus 37 5 5 2 minus 5, minus 25 into 1 minus 25 here 31 minus 25 plus 6 into plus 6 0. Here degree is x power 6 dividing by x minus 1 x plus 1 x minus 1. So remaining equation is x power 4 6x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. Dividing by x plus 1 x minus 1. So reduced equation is 6 into x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6. This is degree 4. And again reciprocal equation first type or verify first type or second type. Next, comparing the given equation with a0 into x power 4 plus a1 into x cube plus a2 into x square plus a3 into x plus a4 is equal to 0. A0 is equal 6, A1 is equal minus 25, A1 is equal minus 25, A2 is equal 37, A2 is equal 37, A3 is equal minus 25, A4 is equal to 6, A4 is equal to 6, A0 is equal 6, A4 is equal 6, A0 is equal to A4, A0 is equal to A4, next A1 is equal to A3. So A0 is equal to A4, A1 is equal to A3, AI is equal to AN minus A, then that reciprocal equation is called first type. First type even degree, standard reciprocal equation. In standard reciprocal equation, dividing by x square. Therefore, 6x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. So even degree first type is called standard reciprocal equation. So dividing by x square. Dividing by x square. Dividing by x square. 6x square minus 25x plus 37 minus 25 by x plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. 6 by x square is equal to 0. 6x square minus 25x plus 37 minus 25x plus 6 by x square. 6x square plus 6 by x square, taking 6 common, 6 into x square plus 1 by x square minus 25 into x plus 1 by x plus 37 is equal to 0. Plus 37 is equal to 0. Same process, x plus 1 by x is equal to y. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. Uh, 6 into y square minus 2 minus 25y plus 37 is equal to 0. 6y square minus 25y minus 12 plus 37 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 37 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 37 is equal to 0. 6y square minus 25y, 37 minus 12, 25 plus 25 is equal to 0. 25 into 6, 150. So 150 factors 5, 3, 3 5s, 50, 5 tens, 5 2s are 10. 10 into 15, okay, 10 into 15. 6y square minus 15y okay, minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. Taking 3y common, 2y minus 5, here minus 5 common, 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3y minus 5 into 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Three y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 5 by 3. Y is equal to 5 by 3. Y is equal to 5 by 2. 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 Y is equal to 5 by 3. Y is equal to 5 by 2. But y is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 3. Here LCM is x. X square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. 3x square plus 3 is equal to 5x. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Three x square minus 5x is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9. So 9 factors, 9 ones, 3 3 is 9. Factor x is equal to minus b plus or minus 5 plus or minus root of b square 25 minus 4a 4 3 is 12 36 by 2a 2 into 3 is equal to x is equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 36 minus 11 by 2 into 3, that is equal to 5 plus or minus I square is equal to minus I square into 11 by 2 into 3 6, 5 plus or minus I root 11 by 6, 5 plus or minus I root 11 by 6. So y is equal to 5 by 3. Next y is equal to 5 by 2. Next y is equal to 5 by 2. J Vinay Kumar, వీడియో ఆడియో రెండు ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. J Vinay Kumar. Next, y is equal to 5 by 2. Y is equal to 5 by 2. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Taking LCM x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Two x square 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common, 2x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, total roots are 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 by 2. Next, 5 plus or minus root 11 by 6. 5 plus or minus total 6 roots. Total 6 roots. First, 1 minus 1. Reciprocal equation of first type even degree 1 comma minus 1 are the roots. Next, solving the equation 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 5 plus or minus root 11 by 6. The total 6 roots. So some problems in reciprocal equations. Next concept, discrete rules of sign. Next concept. Next concept. Discrete rules of science. Next concept, discrete rules of science. Here we calculate positive roots, negative roots, positive roots, negative roots, negative roots. First point, maximum number of positive roots of f of x is equal to 0. Maximum number of positive roots of f of x is equal to 0 does not exceed number of sign changes in f of x is equal to 0. Maximum number of positive roots of f of x is equal to 0. Maximum number of positive roots of f of x is equal to 0 does not exceed number of sign changes in f of x is equal to 0. Next, second point, maximum number of negative roots of f of x is equal to 0. Negative roots of f of x is equal to does not exceed number of sign changes in f of minus x is equal to 0. Number of sign changes in f of minus x is equal to 0. So discrete rules of signs. Point number 1. First calculate positive roots. Next, calculate negative roots. Maximum number of positive roots of f of x is equal to 0 does not exceed number of sign changes in f of x is equal to 0. Maximum number of negative roots of f of x is equal to 0 does not exceed number of sign changes in f of minus x is equal to 0. Next, point number 3. f of x is a polynomial. F of x is a polynomial equation of degree n. Polynomial equation of degree n. Has polynomial equation. F of x is a polynomial equation of degree n. Has at most k real roots. F of x is a polynomial equation of degree n. F of x is a polynomial equation of degree n has at most k real roots. Answer options. At most answer at most k real roots. Next, at least n minus k imaginary roots. At least n minus k imaginary roots. At most k real roots. Question: find real roots. Answer: at most k real roots. In find imaginary roots. At least n minus k imaginary roots. At least n minus k imaginary roots. Suppose next some problems in discrete rules of science. First calculate positive roots. Next calculate imaginary roots. Suppose positive roots 2, imaginary roots negative roots 3. Positive calculate positive. First suppose positive roots 2, negative roots 3. Answer is 2 plus 3 5. At most 5 real roots answer. At most 5 real roots. Suppose given equation is degree 9. Given equation is degree 9. Real roots is equal 5. Imaginary roots is equal. Remaining 4 is imaginary roots. Remaining 4 is imaginary roots. So at least 4 imaginary roots answer. Suppose given equation degree 9. Positive roots 3, negative roots 3. Positive roots 2, negative roots 3. At least, at most 5 real roots. At least 9 minus 5, 4. At least 4 imaginary roots. Okay, students, the meeting closes now. The model problems on next class la jadam.